Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 79. Today we are going through the Mandras 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 of the Sooktha-32 in Mandal 1. Here the Devada is Indra, and here it says that Indra attacks VRITHRAN. In Vedas, VRITHRAN means Vritha means circle. That is an asura or a force which opposes all the actions of Indra. Suppose atom has a tendency to at the shape of the atom is round, nucleus at the center, an electron in the orbit. So atom is like this, circular. So there is a force inside it which opposes the formation of chain circles. For example, molecules are combining by joining these two orbits, circular forms, and the shape become in this way. If we join together, it will disappear a circular form and forms a chain form. So Vritrasura means the force which is opposing the formation of new molecules. So Indrans are try to cut the Vritrasura. Suppose there is an atom hydrogen, it first dismantle the hydrogen atom. A hydrogen atom is two hydrogen atom forms to form molecule H2 molecule. First it splits these two, cut these two and separates it, and this oxygen is then combined with another. So to combine this with another, a force is required. That this circular form opposes the formation of another compound by the combination with another circle. So that is Vritrasura. In the formation of water itself in the cloud, these charged atoms are in the form of circle, hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion is in this form. To form water, these are to be combined with a hydrogen and an oxygen atom. Two circular oxygen, then another hydrogen. So H, O, another circular H, H2O. So combine these circular forms are disappearing. That is, it destroys the Vritrasura. Vritra means circle. It destroys the Vritrasura and forms new circles. In the case of water, formation in the cloud, there is hydrogen ion. It is forced to combine with another OH group to form water. Then it will lose the circular form. That is, it destroys the Vritrasura. That is going to explain in these mantras. Now let us go through the sixth mantra.
RIGVEDA-Mandal-1 Sooktha-32 6. Nadamna Pinna Muyashayanam Manoruhana Adiyandyabaha Yashchit Virtro Mahina Patyatishtat Tasamahi Patsuda Shirbapuva.
He says, this Vritrasura, hydrogen ion, in the water, in the cloud, there is hydrogen ion and OH negative ion. These are to be joined. This circular hydrogen opposes to form this, combine with OH group to form water, because that is there in the sky as separate. So Indra forced to combine it to form water. So this Vritrasura is very powerful, energetic. He is very strong to oppose his enemy. So it calls Indra to come and attack him. He thinks he is very powerful. So Indra claims that force came there and destroyed this Vritrasura, which opposes the formation of water, and it combines these hydrogen and OH negative ion to form water, and thus water flows in the form of river on the earth's surface. Now let us go through the seventh mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-7. ആപാദഹസ്തോ അഭൃതന്വ ഇന്ദ്രമാസ്യ വജ്രമതി സാനൗജഖാന വൃഷ്ണോവത്രിപ്രതിമാനം ബുഭൂഷൺ പുരുത്രാവിത്രോ അശയത് വ്യസ്ത.
It says Indra attacked this Vritrasura with this Vajrayuda and forced them to combine. So, and it applies Vajrayasura at his shoulder. Shoulder means shoulder is in this form. That is at the end of the orbit, and force him to join together. So, it attacks this Vritrasura at his shoulder. That so the Indra, this Vritrasura failed to withstand that attack, and he failed. Thus formed the water. Now let us go through the eighth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-7. ആപാദഹസ്തോ അഭൃതന്വ ഇന്ദ്രമാസ്യ വജ്രമതി സാനൗജഖാന വൃഷ്ണോവത്രിപ്രതിമാനം ബുഭൂഷൺ പുരുത്രാവിത്രോ അശയത് വ്യസ്ത.
The water thus formed, it says, the water thus formed flow in the form of river, and below that river the dead body of that Vritrasura is lying. Now let us go through the ninth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-9. നീചാവയ അഭവത് വൃത്ര പുത്രേന്ദ്രോ അസ്യ അവവധർജഭാര ഉത്തരാസുരധര പുത്ര ആസീദാനുസയേ സഹവത്സ നധേനുഹു.
He says Vritrasura's mother tried to cover his body. He is under the water. That force is there inside the water, which opposes the formation of new products. There is a force inside every system which opposes the creation of new things from it. So it is there inside the water, and the mother also is protecting him in that water. But he was dead. In the water, he is in the form of a dead body. So it lies there inside the. It is like a dead body which is now not able to do anything. Likewise, it is there inside the body. Now the 10th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദ മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-10. അധിഷ്ഠന്തീനാമനിവേശാനാം കാഷ്ഠാനാം മധ്യേ നിഹിതം ശരീരം വൃത്രസ്യ നിന്യം വിചരന്ത്യാപോ ദീർഘതമ ആശയത് ഇന്ദ്രശത്രുഃ.
It says this water now that Vritrasura inside it, and he is sleeping there inside the water. That means that force is there. This opposing force, Vritrasura, is there in the form of a dead body. But if we are going to convert this water into another substance, then this Vritrasura will come again to oppose it. So Vritrasura is the force which opposes the action of Indra. And Indra is trying to break the atom molecule to its atoms, and then these atoms are joined together with the other atom in different ratios by which different things are forming. So inside that orbit, that circular orbit, there is a force which opposes these actions. That force is acting in the circular orbit, outermost orbit. That force is called, that opposing force, that reaction is called the Vritrasura. So Indra want to combine two atoms, which Vritrasura opposes. If Indra want to separate these atoms, that force in the orbit, that force in the orbit is in the circular form. So it is called Vritrasura. That opposes. If we want to combine these two atoms, it opposes. It will not combine. So we should apply force, and Indra is coordinating the atom to join it. If we want to break this bond, that force in the orbit will oppose it. Vritrasura will oppose it, and Indra uses force to separate it. So now let us go through the other mantra in the next class.